Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Charles, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of coins and their hidden stories. Today, we're diving into the history, design, and value of a special coin, the United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin from 2007. Let's unravel the secrets behind this remarkable piece of currency. The United Arab Emirates introduced the 1 Dirham coin in 1973, shortly after the formation of the UAE in 1971. The Dirham became the official currency, replacing the Qatar and Dubai Rial. By 2007, the 1 Dirham coin was firmly established as a crucial part of everyday transactions in the UAE, used for everything from shopping to public transport. But what makes the 2007 version of the coin so unique? To answer that, we need to take a closer look at its design and symbolism. The 2007 UAE 1 Dirham coin is a blend of tradition and practicality. The obverse side features the iconic Dala coffee pot, a symbol of hospitality and generosity deeply rooted in Emirati culture. This timeless design has been featured on Dirham coins for decades. On the reverse denomination, you'll find written in Arabic numerals, along with the phrase United Arab Emirates inscribed in both Arabic and English. This dual-language design reflects the UAE's multicultural environment and its role as a global hub for commerce and tourism. Now, let's talk about the technical details. The 1 Dirham coin from 2007 is made of a nickel-plated steel alloy, giving it durability and a polished silver-like appearance. These specifications were designed to make the coin both practical and durable for frequent use. So, what is the value of the 271 dirham coin? In terms of face value, it's equal to 1 UAE dirham, approximately 0.27 USD or 0.25 euros, depending on exchange rates. However, for collectors, the value can vary based on its condition and demand. A circulated 207 1 dirham coin is typically worth its face value. But if the coin is in mint or uncirculated condition, it might fetch a premium, especially among collectors interested in Middle Eastern currency. In today's market, such coins can be valued between $1 and $3 USD. Rare errors or misprints could increase its worth significantly. Did you know the UAE 1 dirham coin is often used as a reference for size in the country? It's roughly the size of a US quarter, making it a common comparison for everyday objects. Another fun fact, the Dala coffee pot design has remained unchanged for decades, symbolizing the UAE's deep respect for its traditions while embracing modernity. So, whether you're a coin collector or just someone fascinated by cultural artifacts, the 2007 UAE 1 Dirham coin is a beautiful representation of Emirati heritage and a valuable piece for your collection. The United Arab Emirates UAE 1 Dirham coin holds a rich history intertwined with the UAE's cultural, economic, and political evolution. Here's a deep dive into its historical significance. The UAE dirham was introduced on May 19, 1973, replacing the Qatar and Dubai rial, which had been in use since 1966. This change occurred shortly after the unification of the 7 Emirates in 1971, marking the establishment of the Unified Arab Emirates. The adoption of a unified currency was a significant step in solidifying the nation's economic independence and identity. The 1970s was but has since to the International Monetary Fund SDR 725 AED to 1 USD, a rate that has remained stable for decades. The 1 dirham coin was first issued in 1973 and has undergone several design updates over the years. Despite these changes, the Dala coffee pot has remained the iconic feature on the coin, symbolizing the region's deep-rooted traditions. The reverse side has always included Arabic numerals and the inscription United Arab Emirates in both Arabic and English. The 207 1 dirham coin is part of the series minted to meet the growing demands of a rapidly modernizing nation. By this time, the UAE had become a major global hub for tourism, trade, and finance. The coin's production in nickel-plated steel ensured durability, reflecting its use in a bustling economy. This period also saw an increase in the use of coins in vending machines and parking meters, which influenced the consistent size and weight of the 1 dirham coin. However, the design continued to honor tradition, with the coffee pot serving as a bridge between the UAE's past and present. The 1 dirham coin has played a crucial role in the UAE's monetary system. It is frequently used for la setescon, etra pour fiscal, faire chefe, common in souks and local spaces. Its size and value make it comparable to the U.S. quarter dollar, making it a practical denomination for daily transactions. The UAE's status as an international financial and cultural hub has made its currency recognizable worldwide. Tourists and expatriates visiting the UAE often take home 1 dirham coins as souvenirs, spreading its recognition far beyond the country's borders. For numismatists, coin collectors, the 1 dirham coin from 2007 holds value due to its connection to the UAE's rapid development era. While its face value remains 1 AED, uncirculated or proof versions of this coin are sought after in collector markets. The UAE 1 dirham coin from 2007 is more than just currency. It's a reflection of the country's journey from a modest federation to a global powerhouse. Its design honors tradition, while its practicality meets the demands of a modern economy. Whether in the pockets of locals, tourists, or collectors, this coin continues to tell the story of the United Arab Emirates. The condition of a coin significantly impacts its value, especially for collectors. Here's a breakdown of the various conditions in which a United Arab Emirates UAE 1 dirham coin from 2007 might be found. Been used in everyday transactions. They often show visible signs of wear and tear, such as scratches, dullness, and loss of original luster. The details on the design may appear smooth or faint due to frequent handling. In circulated condition, the 1 dirham coin from 2007 usually retains its face value of 1 AED. It holds minimal collectible value unless there is a specific rarity, such as an error or misprint. These coins have never been used in transactions and retain their original luster and sharp design details. The surfaces are clean, with no visible signs of wear, although minor imperfections from the minting process may still be present. Uncirculated 207 1 dirham coins are more valuable to collectors. They can fetch $1 to $3 USD or more, depending on demand and the coin's overall condition. Proof coins are specially minted for collectors using polished dies and high-quality metal blanks. They have a mirror-like finish with sharp, frosted details on the design. The UAE government occasionally releases proof coins for special occasions, but standard 1 dirham coins are rarely issued in proof quality. If a 207 1 dirham coin exists in proof condition, its value could be significantly high. Presentation in an official case, or with a certificate of authenticity. Coins that are bent, corroded, or heavily damaged fall into this category. These coins might have been exposed to harsh conditions or improper storage. Damaged coins typically have no collectible value and are often worth only their face value, 1 AED. In severe cases, they might not even be accepted in transactions. Coins with minting errors, such as double strikes, off-center designs, or missing inscriptions, are rare and highly sought after by collectors. Error coins can fetch $10 to $50 USD or more, depending on the type and severity of the error. Check for scratches, discoloration, or wear. Look for sharpness and clarity in the coffee pot and inscriptions, and show the edges are intact and free of significant damage. Use professional grading scales. Avoid touching the coin with bare hands. Use gloves to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the surface. Inscription. Ensure you are paid on time. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. By understanding and preserving the condition of your coin, you can maximize its value, whether for personal enjoyment or future trade.